What's up, y'all? It's your boy Sean. We here today at another Pokemon card convention. So today we got $3,000. I got it in my envelope right here. We're gonna try to buy up some inventory for an upcoming card show that I plan to vend at. So that's gonna be the plan. Yeah, we're gonna buy PSA slabs today, but I know I need singles. Today's my birthday. We're gonna go in, take a shot, tee up real quick. I hope you guys can party with me today, y'all. Let's get some good deals going on. Woo! Birthday.
Since it's Sean's birthday, I actually got him a little something.
What? Got me something? What'd you get me, man?
These were made by me. Close your eyes real quick.
Okay.
Put your hands out.
Okay,
Put your hands out.
okay.
One hand out. One hand out.
What is
Okay,
this?
ready?
My boy got me a gift. Okay. Oh, bro. No way. Oh, he got me the evolution line of Trico, Grovyle, Sceptile. Bro, what? You drew this, bro?
Yeah.
Bro, what? Y'all have to look at this. He drew each and every single one of this. I love how he made me young in this one for Trico, and then I get a little older wearing a cowboy hat. And what's this one? Damn, I just look mysterious in this one, bro. Look, that's me. That dark silhouette, that's me, and that's my Sceptile just chilling right there. Bro, oh my gosh. Yeah, he has it in slabs for me too. This is going to the PC. PC, if you guys don't know, is the personal collection, y'all.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Alright, y'all, we're about to go in and rock up some shit.
Let's get these deals.
Look at this dude. Got a brand new suitcase.
I feel like Seth Kyla in this bitch, y'all. I'm about to pull out with the blue-eyed white dragon.
He didn't want to roll it.
It's brand new, bro.
Let's go, chat. We're about to go check out these deals. But first, we got to link up with Julian. Julian's already here getting his vintage binder assessed right now, so we're going to find him. Hey, peep the suitcase, though, y'all. How I look? I look like a real card collector out here? I look like, hold on. Let me make a deal real quick, bro. All right, what y'all got? All right, y'all. We're here to take a shot. Shout out to Julian's dad for getting first round on him. We got Fireball going on. I got a Coke back. Yeah, Fireball. All right, grab y'all a shot. Cheers. Thank you, Pops. I appreciate it. Oh, that was a full shot. But today we also have Pops. He's looking out for some cards too.
Full ice, bro.
So your goal is to get some full arts today, and then Pops is just trying to spend $100, see what he can get. Coolest card for 100.
Yeah.
I mean, what's your goal today?
Let's take some megas.
Mega Evolution. Okay, we rock with it. This is what my new case is looking like. There you go. Got the cards ready. Got my money ready. We're about to make some deals, y'all. All right, chat. Y'all ready? Let's do it. You guys see anything yet? Oh, this is a pretty cool table.
I don't know.
Hey, how you doing?
You're good.
Kind of like this Marshadow and Machamp tag team, but it's PSA 10. But look, Min pointed out it's kind of left heavy. Yeah. And then dealers debating it right now because like last sales on it was like 250, 114. I'm trying to tell them to take the average, but
There's listings for like 2 5s and a 3.
so where are you at on it though?
I mean, I remember how much I got it for.
You don't have like a list so you can pull up?
Nah, not my list.
Okay. What do y'all think of these cards? I'm thinking of this. This is my favorite. This is
What makes you comfortable on that?
this one.
Yeah.
Well, looking at the last averages, I would be comfortable at like 160
160.
on this one. This is a tag team. This is an upcoming, they're starting to get really expensive. But the sales on this are like everywhere right now. That's why he's trying to figure it out.
Best card for $100.
Yeah.
Now 160 would be sounds right, but just because those 2 listings, I want to be higher now.
Want to be higher? So where you at? Cutting out a deal. 220 on it?
This jump is so bad.
Yeah, that's crazy.
The 2 jump, and then all of a sudden, the 2 listings with
Hold on.
Marshadow. Yes. Yeah, that one is a bit weird.
That just means the market is messed up. Y'all need to get out right now. I think. If this is right. Okay, that listing sold.
Yeah.
Fuck y'all, they're cooking me out here. I gotta find a listing out. Gotta find a good cheap listing out here. They're cooking
There's
me
another one with the plastic.
on eBay. to show what collectors say. Collectors saying it's going for like 117 right now. But I'm trying to find a listing on eBay and they're all sold. Yeah, because look, boss, if you look at here, Marshadow Machamp PSA 10, you see the listings going up definitely, right? 85 to 130, 117. The highest price was 130. So far. Yeah, these are already sold. Yeah, but the last one was in June 21st. That was like what, 2 days, 3 days ago?
224, 250.
God damn, you're right. It is weird as hell. So you're at
220.
220 on it?
I mean, there are.
Would you do 180? I was at 160. I'm at 180 now.
Yeah. My lowest would be 200. These are all the characters you can get.
Coin flip, 200, 180.
Can get this one or this one.
$20 coin flip.
It's already been on. You have a coin? Yeah.
Huh?
You have a coin?
I have a quarter, I think, in here. You have a coin? You got a Poke coin?
I have no coin. My coin's on my desk.
Okay. Oh, no apps, no apps. Okay. They're real old-fashioned here, Pops. We gotta show it to them, though. We gotta show it to them.
So we're good on 190 on this, right?
No, you know what? I'll hold off on that right now. I was looking at another card.
Yeah.
What do you have the Wub effect going for?
Profit, that one's pretty low. Or that one's low. I'm a little high on it just because of the swirl on it.
So talk to me. What is it?
The swirl's awesome. It's on the butt.
Fuck. What do you got on it?
Let me check the comp real quick. I forgot how much I bought this for, but I just bought it because I saw that swirl. Swirl! Where can you find a swirl
He's
like
gonna
that?
swirl tax me because the swirl's on the Wub effect's butt. It's honestly fucking valid though.
That's
'cause
a perfect spot.
It looked like the Wub effect's like taking a doo-doo. Kind of.
It wouldn't be that bad if it was somewhere else, but right there, that's like perfect.
Come on, bro.
The art tells a story.
PSA 8 Neo Discovery. That,
65.
oh, he said 65. Bro, I'm getting 2 cars, bro. Me 50. I'm getting 2 cars, bro. Do 50 for me, bro. Not coin flip, so I'm buying it straight up. What did I say on this one?
That one 180, 200.
Yeah, 180.
Where put your coin? Anything in this binder? Yeah.
And then this one, I'm just buying straight out. This one's gonna be 50. 50.
If you give him 1 second, he's probably not.
I'm trying to cash bro's booth out real quick.
Where did you put your coin at?
Yeah, I got another quarter. It's okay.
Huh?
You just gotta take 25 cents off my purchase.
So this one, are you good on this one?
No, I'll take that one for 50.
50?
Come on, bro. So how's it being a vendor? I have my first vending show in July. I'm doing the NTX Fort Worth one.
Oh, we're gonna be there.
You're gonna be there?
It's fun. It's like, just go around, talk to people, you meet new people, everybody's cool.
Right. The Wub effect for 50. Listings were like 45, 40.
Give me 55 on it.
Okay, 55. 55 on it, you know? No, we're about to do it right now. So I'll call it. Coin flip is for this Marshadow Machamp PSA 10, 180 or 200. And then Wub effect, it's gonna be 50 even.
Okay. You want to flip or you want to?
You flip, I'll call.
180, 200?
Yeah, 180, 200.
Ready?
Wait.
Wait.
All right, go ahead. That's tails, that's heads.
Good?
Okay. Tails in that bitch. Come on now, give me that. Wait. Tails! Let's go! All right, bro. So 235. All right, bro. I appreciate you for the good deal. Thank you so much. Very cool cards. Thank you. Oh yeah, do we have like a little stamp? Do you guys do the sampling here? Okay. Okay. Oh, I appreciate it. Let's go. So we got the Wub effect with the swirl right next to its butt. It's kind of cute. Looks like it's pooping. He was trying to swirl tax me, y'all. And then this cool PSA 10 Marshadow Machamp. Cooking. All right, more deals. Let's go. It just came back. What'd you show us the flag? So what do we get? PSA 9 full art Pikachu.
I didn't pay for 35. 36. I'm in lower.
Y'all remember when I gave this raw card for free to that homeless person? What'd you get it for? Did you bargain?
Yeah, 28.
28? That's really good.
Average.
Did you average it out and then you okay? All right, y'all. Deal going out. $6 for this Sceptile card. I think I'm gonna collect a binder full of these, like Jiggies go. I got a Brock Stridon Unlimited, lightly played. It has a swirl on the butt. I'll take that.
So
Binges
we
hit.
traded it, some
Tax
cards.
in. And then what'd you add on top?
It was traded those,
I appreciate you, boss.
and then 20 on top.
20 on top, and hey, that's a pretty good trade. Cool.
Thank you, man. Yeah.
These are all modern. So Julian's got a deal cooking. Possibly. This one's a really good card though.
Yeah.
And the PSA 10, that's a really good card.
I wish
I really like that one.
I used to
65 for the bundle.
What just happened?
So I'm taking this for $6.90. Oh, $6.90. Yeah.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Here, I'll give you another 100. You just give me 10 back, yeah. All right, cooked. So $6.90 for a first edition PSA 9.
You need to grab some singles, man.
I did. Then Brock's right on.
Oh my god. One?
All right, y'all. So we just completed the stamp page. Shout out to Julian's dad, Pops. He gave us his stamp page and took it and redeemed it for another bag. Let's see what's inside of the bag. So this is the bag that you get for after spending at least $5 at the Bible vendor, yeah, at each booth. And so they'll stamp it. So let's see what we got. Oh, we got a keychain, Jancy keychain, Japanese packs, Celestial. That's pretty dope. Oh, a Yu-Gi-Oh pack. So apparently I heard that all the vendors pitched in. Oh, hold on. Hold on, there's more. Cute little Flareon, some dice. Oh, look, Jigglypuff. Wigglytuff.
So my boy Julian over here went on like a full hunt.
I've been trying to make motion.
All right,
It's a
let's
151 set.
Trying to go 51. I'm gonna save my money for the big three, you know. I'm go all out on the big three.
What you got so
Got my Charmander. I got these for 50. I believe it's 50, maybe a little less. 50 or 48. And then I got third Pikachu, you know. Got it for like 28, you know. Sorry, number 9. Moving on, got the Eevee. I got this over 35 actually.
I like that one.
That's a pretty good deal for a 10. And, you know, we've been collecting. We got a Charmander right there. That's nice. I got this one for like 5. This one I paid market for 35. And then all these, I take $20 off bundles. So let's say about 40 on those last 4.
Okay, my bad. I like this Chansey card. I'm trying to get some trade for that.
I'm seeing things everywhere. 250, 117, 150, and then 97. I'll just subscribe to 97 because it was in May.
Right.
So probably do these. Being fair, is there like a value you have on it? What number would you be at?
Oh, for 100%
Yeah,
market?
so
Okay, if we're taking a look at this, well, the 117 I feel like would be, that's I would probably be at like 220. 220 on it.
Can you do 200 value?
200, 210.
210, sure.
Okay.
You work with me, I work with you.
Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
And then 80,
Yeah.
you would owe me with 80% rate of this.
Yeah.
Would be 140 cash.
140 on
Difference,
top, cash difference.
right? Yep. And that's
All
with
right.
80% here, and that's
80%
me
here.
going down on this one.
Okay. All right, let's do it. 140.
What's
Thank
your
you.
name,
Sean.
Sean, nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet
Dude, this
you
card's
too.
so sick, bro.
I know. All right, y'all. So I just got this one today too, and I saw the Chansey and the Mewtwo, and I needed it. So PSA 10 of that. Got priced at whatever 210, and I'm picking this up and 140 on top.
Pick it up,
The Chansey and the Mewtwo V-Star.
Sick.
All right. 140 on top. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Have a good show. All right, y'all. We're doing a deal. I got 95 for Mega Sceptile and Mega Caesar EX. Thank you so much, boss. I appreciate you. Thank you. I want to grade this one. This one, the back, bro, is mint, but the centering is amazing. Might get an 8 or a 9, maybe a 10, if I'm really lucky. All right, yeah, so I got this for 165 and got to keep the guard, so 165, trading in. All right, I appreciate you, boss. Thank you.
No, thank you,
yes,
man.
sir.
Appreciate you.
And I might be back for that Missy's favor. I'll
Yes,
see.
sir.
And then I got this
you
from
got that?
earlier.
165.
Yep.
Those numbers, just pick that up.
Yep. And then these two are 15, both. All right. This is your 15, boss. Thank you. That is your 15, boss. Thank you so much. Oh, man, I had that in there. You said more singles, right? You said more singles. Gotta get those singles. All right. Okay. Dude, I've been buying singles up.
Some card, and I'm trading this one 40 on top for
Mega Gyarados, so 40 on top.
Gyarados.
Okay, cool deal. You 500, 510? All right, let's do it. Appreciate you, man. I'll call it. Okay, are you okay? All right, so we're doing a coin flip for some modern Tyranitar and Chonkachu. 500 or 510 coin flip.
heads.
All right. Tails. Appreciate you, boss. Thank you for the good deal.
500.
Cooked. We just got cooked. We've been losing flips all day. To the point? Where my flips?
2, 3, 4. Poker chip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 500. I appreciate you, boss. Thank you, man. T-Sar. That's a nice card. Yeah, honestly. How much you got the T-Sar going for?
35.
35. Oh, your stuff is top shelf, but I gotta.
Yeah, I see the cash.
Got so much shit. Can't wait to show you guys what we got today. But we picked up a lot of inventory. I still have, this case is like 15% full. Not even like 10%. There's so much stuff I need to put in this still.
You picked up a lot of things.
I did. And then dude, as soon as we got in, bro, you, Julian, and his dad, we all split up. We had to make our own deals. Hell yeah. Like there's so many cars that you guys didn't even see that we got today because it was just. All right, y'all, I'm a little tired right now, so let me just speak like this. So we just came from the Trainer Con card show and I'm just wrapping up everything that we got today. So I got some singles to display on the case. Mimikyu, this is a really clean card. Blaziken, Licky Tongue. I'm gonna get this graded. This looks really good, at least an 8 or a 9. But it has some whitening on the back, just a little bit. It's very mint though. 35 for this guy.
Oh, the nene.
Yeah, I got this because of that Jinky Skull girl. Yeah, Jinky Skull, if you're watching, bro, this one's for you. And then I got a sealed version of the Mimikyu. A Minun, that one's a really clean card. Brock's right on with the swirl, right on the leg of it. Where's the swirl? Okay, I see it right there.
Right on this dick.
All right. And then another copy of the Scepter. And I bought some binder copies too, but they're like a couple dollar cards. Slabs. Last deal pickup right here. I got this for a really good price, really good deal. Got a T-Tar and a Chonkachu. And then Mewtwo V-Star. Dude, you know, I want the other one too to make it a set. Got a nice little Chansey right here. A Wobbuffet with a swirl on its butt. It's a PSA 8. I think this is my favorite pickup today. Look how cute you look. How cute that. And then a first edition Dark Blastoise, Big Man Blastoise, PSA 9. And then my boy Pikachu. This is Japanese only, but they gave me the guard as well, so I got a pretty good deal. Paid 160, I think. Yeah, so I think a really good successful card show, y'all. We're one step closer to having a good inventory for this upcoming NTX show. Stay tuned, y'all. See, I got another card show coming out, so we'll see what I get from that one as well. Still got some money left. Spent like almost 2 grand today, like 2 point something maybe. So yeah, we're getting ready to go eat for my birthday, y'all. I'm gonna have sushi, so thanks for joining us, y'all. We'll see you guys next time. Deuces.